Oh, it's stuck now. We got it stuck now, Max. Wow, they missed that one, Max. We got that one on video. I got the whole thing on video.
My helicopter got stuck in the tree. Well, that's enough for the helicopter.
Let's see if we can find it. Where's it at?
I don't know. It just dropped.
Oh, I see it. It's right there. Right there.
Oh, I see it.
It's right there, straight up.
I don't see anything.
See, look
I
at
see it. It's right there. It's blending with the leaf.
Yeah.
Oh, it's too high up.
It's right there. See it?
Yeah, I see
Right
it.
there. Look in the camera. Right there. See it?
Oh.
See the wing?
Oh yeah. Come on.
It's too high
It's
up.
too high up. It's out of bounds.
Go over here.
That costs a lot of money.